So I got this lawnmower about a year ago, like right after COVID hit. The one I had died. I got it online on homedepot.com because I didn't want to go anywhere at that time. You know, that time nobody was going anywhere. We wanted to stay home when we got everything delivered. So it came in a box, easy to put together, and it's a great running lawnmower. Except probably a month ago, something happened, and well, let me show you what it is. So basically, this thing goes forward now. Nothing stops it. So you have a nut like this. It goes right down in there, so it's supposed to go in here, and it's supposed to be inside this plastic, and then this bolt screws into it, and it's the same way on both sides. Problem is, the nut came through the plastic, and it's pretty much impossible to get the nut back in. I finally got one in, screwed the bolt back into it, and when I tried to mow, it just came right out. I don't know how to fix this. I'm pretty sure it's out of warranty now because I've had it over a year. I don't even know how long the warranty was on it. And so now I need to figure out how to fix it. I'll figure something out, but I wanted to make this video to, I guess to let people know about this lawnmower. It's a PowerSmart, and it's like 169 bucks. But if you have any suggestions on how I can fix this, leave a comment below and let me know. It is dangerous because, well, let me show you what happens. See? That is not safe at all. That's the problem with this lawnmower, that there's no way to keep this from doing that. So when you're mowing the grass, you can't push forward. The whole thing goes forward. So when you mow, you have to kind of push down and mow. If the grass is high, then, well, that's a problem. Because you can't get any, you can't push. The whole thing goes forward. Just because of this plastic. I don't know why they would make this plastic. So I've got to figure something out. And I might even email the company and see if they have any suggestions on what I should do. And if you have a lawnmower like this, or have ever had a problem with a lawnmower like this and the plastic just ripped, you know, the nuts and bolts just ripped right out of the plastic, then, well, leave a comment below and let me know how you fixed it. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.